Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at VCITA and Calendly to see which scheduling software is best for you. So we're going to take a look at the pros and cons for each one. So the first one is VCITA, which is best for small businesses needing scheduling plus client management all in one. They offer scheduling, invoicing, payments, CRM, and marketing tools. They also offer client portal for easy communication and more feature-rich but can feel complex. The downside is that the pricing is higher due to all-in-one features. Overall, great if you want scheduling plus business management in one app. Then we have Calendly, which is best for simple, streamlined scheduling for individuals or teams. They are easy to use and fast setup. It integrates well with calendars, Google, Outlook, etc. And it's limited to scheduling and basic reminder. Now the cons are that no built-in voicing or CRM. Overall, perfect if you just want to hassle-free appointment booking. So basically, that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.